about 3 months out from Trail to SEMA 2017. And with the help of Synergy Manufacturing, Miller Welders, and Icon Vehicle Dynamics, we're going to take my two-door JK, and it will remain a two-door JK, but we're going to add about 8 inches to the wheelbase. So the guys at Synergy Manufacturing sent us a slew of really cool parts, all components of their 8-inch coilover stretch system. The system starts with coilover mounts. This is the rear coilover mount that goes up in the chassis. We've got control arm mounts for the chassis, lower control arm mounts for the axle, track bar relocation mount, some skid plates, and then these exceptionally massive control arms. You've got lowers and uppers. These are their high clearance ones, and they're going to help us push that axle 8 inches back. All of this is designed to work with the coilovers that are already on the car. I wouldn't want to take them off, so this is just going to take what's already there and move it 8 inches back. Wheels and tires are off, everything's loose, the vehicle is solidly on jack stands. Time to start disconnecting things so we can get the axle out of there, hopefully tonight. Now that the brakes are free of the axle and the coilovers are free and out of the vehicle, these things are filthy. They still have Moab red dust on them. At this point, I need to make sure that all of the electrical connections to the axle are disconnected. The last thing we want is to rip wires out. That's 2 more wires out of the way. Now we are removing the upper control arms now. I'm only removing them from the axle side. I'm just going to let them dangle, and I'll remove them from the chassis side once we get this axle out of the way. I don't actually want to do any more tonight, so we're not going to.